Hello everyone, this is Mr. DC coming at you with another lesson. It's been a very, very long time. It's been a while. It's been a long time since I've done some videos, but now here I am back with more things to show you, like Paper Cuts by Nirvana. This is a fun song to play, so without further ado, let's get to the lesson. Okay, so first thing is you're going to want to tune down to E flat or D sharp. So if you want to match the recording, tune your strings down a half step. Okay, so the first chord, you're going to want to put your index on the first fret of the 6th string, and then your middle finger, 2nd fret of the A string. Okay, so this is a power chord, this is the E note, this would be a B flat. Now that put together with some palm muting, remember with palm muting you want to use this part for your palm, and this is some pretty heavy palm muting, because if you were to use a light amount of palm muting you wouldn't get the sound. So it's just like this. Now what that is, you're gonna want to play it 6 times. So then 4 times after that. And then you're gonna want to pick scrape. Now when you're pick scraping, you're gonna of course get your pick. You're gonna scrape it along the for this case, you're going to scrape it along the 6th string and the 5th string, more on the 6th string, and you're going to go towards your bridge pickup. So after that, you're gonna play those palm mutes again, but then you're gonna strum just open strings. So it's okay, so let's talk about that. Again, so just like the intro, you're playing this chord right here, your palm beating. After that, you're gonna want to put your ring finger, 3rd fret of the G string. So it's that note right there, and I'm gonna show you exactly what strings to pick. So you're gonna pick that note, same note, right? G string. You're gonna go down to B, then to the E string. So, and of course these notes are ringed out. You're gonna go back to that G string, and then you're gonna end on the E string. So it sounds like this. Alright? So now if you may have noticed, I am hitting some harmonics on the 3rd fret. I'm using my pinky. Okay, so I do that. Now you don't have to hit those harmonics, but if you do, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so of course I'm hitting with my pinky, right? So if you're having trouble with this harmonic, it could be because of many things. First, it is kind of difficult to hit this harmonic because of what the position it's in. There's harmonics all over the neck, of course, but for this certain one, it is a little difficult to hit. You know, easier ones: 5th, 7th, 9th fret, 12th fret. So this is the one we're gonna want to hit, 3rd fret. So when I'm doing this power chord right here, my pinky's already in position to hit the harmonic, and this is a sweet spot I use. There's a little sweet spot, so you gotta find it. You gotta mess around with it, and eventually you'll get it. So that's what I'm doing right there. Now, when you do harmonics, think of it this way: you wanna strike the strings, right? You wanna hit. Now your finger is gonna lift off of the string. Remember, you're barely even touching it. So think of it like you're meeting the strings, but you're barely touching it. You get this sound already. So that's just a harmonic that wants to, ring out. So what you do is you're gonna want to lift off your finger. You want to do it pretty fast. So the faster you do it, the more clear the harmonic will be, the more it will ring out. So. Right, so instead of doing it slow, if I were to try to hit the harmonic in a slow manner, there you go. You don't really hear the harmonic; it's not as clear. So. So the next part after that, I'll show you the chord. So this is a E5 add 11. So I'll just show you the chord first. So what that is your index is going to go on the 2nd fret of the A string. Pinky's going to go on the 3rd fret of the G string. It's the same note we were doing earlier. Now, when you strum it, it should sound like that. Me, I'm kind of just picking. You can strum also. It's up to you. Again, this is what you should be fretting right here. The D string is not. I'm not playing it. I'm beating it with my ring finger. You can kind of mute it with your index and kind of mute it with your middle finger as well. So that's what you should be hearing. So. So I'll play the next part. So you play this first power chord one time, you're going to go up to 2nd power chord. Play that 3 times. Going to go up to the 3rd fret. Again, slide up. That 3 times, and then on the 3rd time, we're going to go open. Then you're going to go to the 7th fret. This is B flat power chord. You're gonna play that once. You're gonna go down to the A power chord. This is on the 6th fret. So play it 5 times, and then you go open, and it starts again. So that right there is you're gonna go this power chord here on the 4th fret. And that once you go down. You play that power chord on the 3rd fret 5 times, and then you go open. 7th fret. This is almost the same thing as what you do down here. You go up and do this, but when you transition, you're going to want to play the open. Just play the open E string. Right, so. So that right there is this power chord on the 2nd fret. You play this 6 times, and then you go open. And there's a little bit of palm muting as well. So then you're gonna play this chord here. And what that is we're gonna go pinky, E string, 5th fret. Ring finger, 5th fret on the B string. Then you're gonna go middle finger on the 4th fret of the D. It's almost like this chord here. I am muting the G string. So with distortion. So that's what you're gonna play after you play this power chord here on the 2nd fret. Okay, so then it repeats. It takes us back to the verse, which is the main riff, right? So. Right, so then we get into the next part. all the parts, 2 paper cuts. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure to subscribe and click on the notification icon so you can know when I'm going to upload more videos, because they're coming out soon. So, comment, give me some requests, put them down in the comments, maybe other kinds of videos you want to see, tutorials, maybe questions you have, I don't know, just go ahead and comment below, and I will see you next time.